Okay, back again with a tutorial on how to create augmented reality. Now in this tutorial, I will practice how to create augmented reality using WordCast.io. First of all, please go to website the WordCast.io. So it will appear in this way. Well, here there are three options. Yes, there is a print screen, there is a showcase, there is in case. Well, but here I will consider using a print case. So this is the basic marker. So when there is an image or there is something, it is a barcode. Well, we scan it. Then the augmented reality will appear like that. So let's just practice how to make it. Okay, well, here cast title here. Please write the title of the project that will be made here. Yesterday we made a human hair. So we can continue here. Heart human. Okay, then we'll go next. Well, after that here there are two options. Frames for the marker, you can input it from Canva or input in from the desktop of your computer. If you have a file that you have prepared, well, here I have prepared the file, namely a picture of a heart that I made yesterday, but here I will explain first. Yes, starting one by one, maybe from the Canva. Okay, click. Well, here when you select the Canva here, there are size for business card, brochures, invitation, postcards, and poster. So adjust it to your needs. For example, I use the poster. Okay, it is still loading. So here the display will appear like this. Well, here later friends, you will be asked to design setting design, which when the design is ready, it will be designed. When it's designed, then the augmented reality will appear. Maybe I will give an example. Okay, yesterday the design was meaning I'm looking for human heart here. Is there one? Oh, okay, actually there isn't, maybe just an example. For example, here I took a heart. So when I put this heart poster on it, my hope is that a picture of the heart will appear like that. So maybe it's from friends. I want to make a poster about the school or maybe other proofs. Well, you can Canva it here. So after that, when the design is ready, please export in here. So an analyze like this will appear to analyze the image. Well, this is good, which means this image can use. So during the analyze here there is a statement that is at least 70%. So it is below 70%, the image cannot be used. Well, this is 81% with the description good, meaning the image is ready to be used. So after that, we continue with create setting. So you need to know also when the image has been used by another party, which is also used in Word. Then when it is used a second time, well, because this image has never been used, when we can use it and we continue with create like that, friends. That is when you want to create a design from scratch via Canva. So what do we when we already have the design? Okay, I will practice. I will check first. Next, I will practice how if we already have an image on our computer. Well, because yesterday I already have an image, namely a heart image, then I will select a file, then it will appear in your storage. Okay, I will look for the image first. This is the image that I made yesterday in 3D. It's painful. I'm making it big. Well, there's a statement here. Yes, this image is too small. So this image is too small in size, so it can't be detected here. So what we need to do is we need to pay attention. The image shouldn't be too small, and the image shouldn't be too small. The image we have used is like that. So here we have to enlarge the image first. Wait a moment, I will enlarge my image first. Okay, I have enlarged the image in Photoshop. Next, I will try. Let's try again. Will it work? Okay, wait a minute. This is the image that I have made enlarged. Let's check it, friends. Okay, we are still loading and still analyze. This we can do it. Next, we click create. Okay, loading period. So a display like this will appear, friends, and now this is the image letter we can it. Then a 3D display of his heart will appear. Okay, well, here are the features. Here you can add image, add text, add 360 panorama image, audio, video, 3D object, and sketch file. Well, here I will add the 3D object. So yesterday, well, we've already created the 3D object in 3D Paint. Well, all have to do is insert into broadcast. The file will insert it and will upload it, and it's still loading. Okay, we'll wait for the signal, and ta-da, it is already. It looks like this. Well, it is it. We need to fix this because when we scan it, the display looks like it's facing from here, right? Not facing here. So when then has an image facing here, the image that appears is like this. Well, that's why we have to turn this picture so that it is facing. Use the method. It's okay. Well, here there is the red one. It rotates front to back. Well, the blue one is left and right. Well, the yellow one is zooming in and out. Well, from the green one we move it. Likewise with the red one. Blue is also the same. Well, for the green one, we move it from top to bottom. If the blue one is forward to the back, right, left, and right, so please export it. We feed it to the middle first. Okay. After that, we lower it a little. So after that, we rotate it 90 degrees. Then the tail tilt is like, well, this is too small. We need to enlarge it by clicking on the yellow one. Then we slide it to the right. The big one is to the left. The small size is like that. We enlarge it to test the tab is like this. Okay, that is. Now we can add audio if we have audio. Okay, I will look for the audio first. Oh yes, what you also need to pay attention to, ladies and gentlemen, internet network. It has to be stable too, because to support the use of the studio. Okay, I will look for the audio first. I've got the mic. Just a moment. Well, after that, upload. The audio is still loading, so the audio is at the bottom. So when the heart image is displayed, the audio will automatically play too. So it's up to you where you put the audio, and it won't appear. The next step is to export it. How to export it? Here there is an option. If here are supporting feature. Here there is view profile. Here there is create new case to add new files. Then there is view case. There is casting undo, redo, and preview. Preview save, and wrap is we save, we click save and publish, and then it can load. Saving, we pick a well, we select the top one, a check out. Well, here is the link that we will use to scan it. Okay, well, here is the barcode to connect to the scanner base to save our image, so friends can access the scanning feature via this link or via this barcode. So using Google Lens, okay, let's just practice it on the cell phone. Okay, next we will do it first, then we will connect to the web browser. Okay, let's wait first. Wait, maybe it is a little slow. Well, maybe let's refresh. Let's allow it. Well, the phone will appear like this. It is still loading, and the area has become aware of the human heart, and the audio is also automatically. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to create reality using Works Studio WordCast.io. So thank you very much for your attention.